Okay, let me show you the new funnel system that was released just a handful of days ago. It's helping a lot of people, okay, already that have joined as members and affiliates. Now, most people, I'd say 75% out of 100, they're joining just to save money on things they're already buying or buying in the future, like going on vacation, maybe buying some winter things in the summer where you can get better deals like snow skis, or I don't know, maybe you're buying a bike or a kayak or something. It's summertime soon here in Utah. It's already almost 80 degrees, 90 to 100 soon. But there's a lot of cool things to buy, especially when you're just shopping for food, water, things that make you live. And on top of that, if you need a Lyft ride to the airport to fly, there's flight discounts and hotels and all these great savings with Save Club. So 7 out of 10 people that join are members right now, and the others are affiliates. And that's where, boom, you get 3 $20 bills. Pay $60, and you might as well be an affiliate, because for $60 now you get your own link, and you can just invite people to look into Save Club. And if they do, you make 20 to $32 just if you sign up. Thank you. It's like buying me lunch or dinner. Even breakfast is awesome, so thank you. And then, of course, there's 4 other ways to get paid. And you guys, I'm going to show you where the link, you can see what the comp plan is. But I want to show you people that have already joined Save Club, or if you're thinking of joining, I want you to not only join, but I want you to look into a funnel system. Because I was going to wait a month or two just to let people kind of sink in a little bit and see if they can do a Save Club on their own. But I can already tell within the first week or two, I'm on week number 3 doing this. All right, I've made 3,000 cash. I've saved 700 and something bucks. I get paid again in a day or two. So I think my pay will be probably around $4,000 the first 4 weeks of signing. All right, this funnel system, it shot me to number 8 in the world out of all the people. All right, I think there's probably 20, 30,000 people signed up. And I think we have about 10,000 affiliates. And to put me number 8 in the world, all I can say is whatever I'm doing seems to work. So I really want you to look into this funnel system. Now, this is the link to do it. SaveClubFunnels.com. All you got to do is just cruise on over there, and you're going to fill in your email, click the button, and you're going to go to this page. Okay, if you want to see the capture page, this is what it looks like. Just put in your email, click that show me the video, because this video is my money. It's 20 minutes long. It describes the comp plan. It describes Save Club overkill. That way you don't have to. And if you're watching this video and you enjoy it, please get this funnel system. All right, it's going to cost you $25. It's so worth it. And if you've already joined Save Club, you don't have to join again. All right, this is for people that just join. Okay, $60 to be an affiliate, $19.97. But if you want this website, you want this funnel template, if you want the exact same funnel, and you can even change it if you want. It's hosted by HBA Funnels, one of the best funnel systems. And for $25, you're going to freak out how easy it is to navigate. You're going to watch this video. It only takes like 10 minutes to set up. You're just going to get your affiliate link and just fill in some blanks and hit save. My buddy Mike hosts the video, and it's so easy. Okay? But if you want the funnel, it's $25. But look at this. You're going to get on my team. There's 2 private invite only Facebook groups. We have media, including done for you videos for TikTok. They're already made. They're just waiting for you to upload. Facebook, Instagram, Reels, and Stories. We know that you're going to run out of ideas. So this funnel system, it will take people by the hand. It'll take you by the hand for 20 minutes and just explain Save Club. Then it will explain the funnel and why it is a pretty darn cool thing. And not only do I make money with Save Club, this funnel system has an affiliate division too, where I get $20 a month. Right now, I think I hit another 4 or 5 signups today. Right now, my affiliate pay every month just with the funnel is $700. I'm only on day number 4. Today's number 5. I've promoted this funnel for 5 days. My income for Save Club is probably going to be around $4,000 for the month. All right, 4 weeks, $4,000. So let's just say maybe I've been averaging about $1,000 a week, and that is cash that I make as an affiliate. The 700 I saved just on tires, a mattress, and some basic food, and 2 passes to car washes that I go to here in Salt Lake. But the affiliate pay is amazing because right now, every day, I'm averaging about 4, 5, 6 people joining. That's an extra $100 a month, and I'm doing that per day. I have no doubt that maybe if people enjoy this funnel, if I can make an extra 3, 4, 5 grand a month, it's going to happen. People are going to get this funnel with or without me at this point. It's a proven success. I can just show you here the statistics. Right here, the pre-enroll, and it's early this morning. Look, I've already had 3 people join this morning. And look, I'm still drinking coffee. How you can tell what time it is when I do my videos, if I have a big white cup of ice, it's usually just a beautiful drink of iced tea. I even drink milk. I love milk in the afternoon, and or like maybe an energy drink. But when I have my coffee, that means it's nice and early. And look at that. To have 1 person to pre-enroll, but I've had 3 upgrades. Yesterday, I had 9 people pre-enroll, 3 upgrades. You can see I had 3 people, 3 days ago on, what was that, Monday. But right now, I've had 7 people sign up. And it has a lot to do with this funnel system. I think it's very powerful. I think it really is going to help you out. If you're somebody that doesn't really want to do videos like I'm doing right now, and you can email and inbox, there's a lot of great things where people are going to get a hold of you. Our training shows you how people email you. You don't email them, they email you, and you email them back. It's attraction marketing. And with this funnel system, you can even do paid advertising. So if you have a couple $100 or $100 or $50, and if you have a nice place that you really trust, that you can buy leads, click, or traffic from, all right, you can send it directly to the Save Club funnels. I can send it directly to saveclubfunnels.com. And if there's any fake spam or bots or anything else, this whole funnel system gets rid of it all. That way you protect Save Club. Okay, you can't do paid traffic directly to the Save Club capture page because if it's a bunch of spam and bots, it's going to clog their servers, and they can tell by the IP address if it's fake. If it's the same IP address and there's 50 leads and no signups, it's gonna just be a nightmare for you. It's false. I really don't pay for leads. I do a lot of YouTube. I do a lot of posting on Facebook and a handful of other social media platforms. Okay, but with our training, we'll get it. We'll figure it out for you. All right, I'm just telling you my story, and so far the success is there. All right, I'm going on my first month in about just a handful of days. Right now it's, May 21 of 2025. So by Friday or Saturday, I'm going to say that I've been doing this for about a month. And to make 4 grand already is exciting. For me to have recurring income through the funnel of 700, I think I'll hit about $700 by at least in the next day or 2. But if I get 5 people just sign up for the funnel system, which I will, I've already had 2 or 3 people already. That's $100, okay? Because you get $20 per sign up for that funnel. And when people get it again and again, month after month, and I have no doubt, because this funnel system is amazing. I think it's superior than just doing Save Club on its own. But it's up to your experience level. Some people, they don't need to do anything other than just sign up for Save Club, and they have their own technique on how to spread the word, just basically to watch a video. Okay? This is a beautiful capture page. This is what you get just with Save Club. I've signed up like 70, 80 people just by using this. It's amazing. All right? Just watch that little video. Sign up right here. All you do is fill in your information, hit that orange button, and you're going to get a nice email. Open it up and just join Save Club. Then from there, do the best you can to market and promote. If you got to do friends and family and some people at the bowling alley, and maybe you go to the mall, or maybe you have some friends that you'd like to help save money, then please do so. It's awesome. This will save people money. This is not buying shampoo and conditioner. This is not MLM. This is just a simple savings club similar to Groupon, except this is online. It is completely worldwide, and there's an affiliate. Okay? So to me, if I'm going to do the same amount of work, which is basically just do a video to invite you to click something, all I've done is I just add 2 links, and it's up to you. You can hit the left link or the right link here, and they both go to knowledge about Save Club. And then if you want more information and you want some overkill and help with signups, I recommend the funnel system. But it's totally up to you guys. All right? You can see my email address. It's Cory@CoryDraper.com. Go ahead. If you want to email me, I'm not shy. I'll help you out as much as I can, because if you sign up with me, you got to realize if you make more money, so do I. And I can go 4 or 5 levels deep. So if you sign up underneath me, that's one level. And if a couple people sign up underneath you and they sign up underneath them and so on, a few levels deep, I can make money. So I'm going to help you with your downline as well. And I want you to do the same thing. And if you're new to this business, don't worry about it. Just relax. You're going to get it. You'll get it. Just relax. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, you saw both the links. At this time, I'll end it at 10 minutes. Looks like I'm a little over. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You got my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Even if you find me on Facebook, I'm easy to find. You can inbox me there. I just do all of my contact through my keyboard. All right? Blah, 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 blah. I type real fast, and I probably have videos already made for any questions you're going to have. That's why it's easy for me to just cut and paste. I have a whole bunch of videos of the same answers to questions that I get every day. And I just go, hey, what's up? Copy, paste. Boom. Done. You're on your way with hopefully the information you need. But remember this, there's a full customer service division with Save Club too. Support@saveclub.com. Jeremy and Aaron, they've helped me a lot. I ask a lot of questions and I never bug them again. So support@saveclub.com. All right, guys, you heard me enough, I guess. I'm going to go and do some things. Go to the bathroom. Drank too much coffee already. All right. Thank you for signing up with me and watching and just digging this Save Club thing with me. Okay, kids, I'll talk to you guys next video. You take care.